Yeah, LG, which one to use it. And today I'm doing a video on the LG Prime 2 for AT&T. So this is a new plan for the postpaid service. It's available now with a lot there. 16 gigabytes of storage. Same thing as the LG Arena 2 on the AT&T prepaid. That one has more storage, and this one for some odd reason. This pretty much right now it's a little reminder of the LG Salad 5, except for the smaller screen and stuff like that. And then nicely looking phone has it does have a streamer with an 18 by 9, the front-facing camera, that earpiece, the power button, running piece, and the Google Assistant included on the left side of the phone. This is an interesting phone because the LG Prime 2 is an interesting name for a phone, because if you guys remember the LG Prime from like 10 years ago, that was a feature phone, that was a touchscreen feature phone for AT&T 10 years ago, the LG Prime line. So they brought the LG Prime line back to life here with the LG Prime 2. This is a smartphone, of course, so that's kind of interesting that they waited 10 years to bring the LG Prime line back to life. What's next? The LG Prime 3 in 2030? Who knows? It's kind of interesting, to say so the least, in terms of the name of the phone. The LG Prime was a touchscreen feature phone for AT&T back in the day. Yes, remember that phone? That's fucking crazy on like the name of the phone. So the LG Prime 2 is $4 a month or $119.99 for a retail price there. So we have a 5.45-inch display, camera report, front and back 8. We have an 8 megapixel camera in front, 8 megapixel camera in the back, and 5 in the front. Long, less than better, and you have a sample more. So the LG Prime 2 is designed for life in the day with that 5.45-inch HD plus vision display provides vibrant view of pictures, videos, emails, text, and web-based content features. It's 13 megapixel autofocus with flash, 4 and 5 megapixel front-facing cameras. Help capture your favorite moments and selfies up to 16 gigabytes of memory, and optional micro SD support up to 30 gigabytes provide you more than enough space to store all your favorite memories. The long-lasting 3000 mAh battery will provide you reliant power and care. So alright, so camera on the back is 13 on the back. I thought it was 8 like it is on the LG Arena 2, but it's not. 13 on the back, 5 on the front. So do keep that in mind. So the LG Prime 2, it's the same front as the LG Arena 2, but the cameras are different on the back. It's 13 on the back on the LG Prime 2, and 8 megapixel camera on the back on the LG Arena 2. So do keep that in mind over there. So here it is. You guys know what the phone looks like. It looks like the LG Salad 5. The LG Arena 2 does not have fingerprint scanner. It's interesting. I did not see one. So it does have fingerprint scanner on the back. With the camera looks like AT&T logo, LG logo. The SIM card is on the left side of the phone. Power button on the right side, running keys on the left, and so is the Google Assistant key there. We have micro USB charging here, which like I wish they would put Type-C charging here, but I mean it's ridiculous. They're still making phones with micro USB cables. It's ridiculous in 2019. That's like the only downside to this phone now. Other than that, the phone's decent in terms of specs and shit. So you have a speaker right here, microphone and headphone here from the bottom. Specs on this phone, same specs as the LG Arena 2, except for the camera a bit different. So the dimensions are 5.7 inches at 2.81 inches, but and 0.32 inches depth. The LG Prime TV is 5.29 ounces. The display, like I mentioned before, 5.45 inches, 1440 by 720 pixels, 18 by 9 screen, 16 million colors, 13 megapixel focus on camera with 4 times zoom, 1080p video at 30 frames, 720p video, 720p videos at 30 frames, and you can record QCIF video at 15 frames per second. Video playback there, 575 megapixel camera, you have auto shot, gesture shot, timer, AF block, fast snapshot, large snapshot, selfie filter, filter mode there, battery is 3000 milliamps. It's not removable because it's on the in my left side. The battery's not removable. You get 11 hours of talk time, 1 hour of standby time. It takes 80 minutes to get to 50%, and 160 minutes to get to 100%. The charge this thing, so it takes a long time to charge this damn thing. So there is no quick charge in this phone. It's not running 4.5, 1.4 4, 16 gigabytes of storage, 32 gigabytes of microSD expansion, 2 gigabytes of RAM, and the Pi of course, for the LTE, the phone's 24514. It's a real device with a quad band, AC doors, Wi-Fi phone, AT&T video phone, capable of Wi-Fi connectivity, is 8 to 11 BGN-AR, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. You also have NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, mobile hotspot for 10 places, and it takes a nanosecond battery, and it also has wide connection range. We do get a lot of ads from AT&T. We get AT&T hotspots, AT&T messages, backup and sync, replaced with App Manager, IQI, AT&T, remote support, AT&T video call, AT&T feature voicemail, AT&T Wi-Fi phone, AT&T protect, AT&T mobile security, AT&T device help, games, Google Pay, Google Search, and you get LG apps like Quick Memo Plus, LG Music, LG Backup, LG Smart World, Smart Planning, and File Manager from LG, and my AT&T provides fast, easy account access virtually anywhere, anytime, and your sensors are accessible with NVM link, JavaScript, proximity, e-compass. Here's a text message and email. Music is Google Play Music and Amazon Music players. So that's nice. Accessibility, sustainability, product code, and what's the other thing up the lights? It does not say anything about the device. So there you guys have the LG Prime 2. It's not available on AT&T for $4 a month or $119.99 for retail price. It's kind of interesting that AT&T named this on the LG Prime 2. It's kind of interesting. It's been 10 years since we had an LG Prime phone. If you guys remember that phone from back in the day, the LG Prime was a touchscreen feature phone back in the day for AT&T, like 10 years ago. So that's crazy that they bought the LG Prime line back 10 years later with the LG Prime 2 here. Nice phone, decent specs and stuff, but the name of the phone is interesting in my opinion. So there you guys have it. The LG Prime 2 is $900 AT&T for $4 a month or $119.99 a month for retail price. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up guys and listen a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys next one. Peace out.